Question 2018, question number 17, simple E. All applicants who apply for a certain job in an institute are required to sit for an aptitude test. Those who obtain A grades in this aptitude test are selected for the job. And the rest of the applicants, very important, the rest of the applicants, that means who fail to obtain A grades, have to face an interview. In a survey, it was found that 60% of the applicants get A grades. So we'll consider event A obtaining A grades. Obtaining A grades. So what is that probability? 60%. 60%. It was found that 60% of the applicants get A grades. So 60% means X over 10. Okay. And of these, 40% are females. Out of the applicants who obtain A grades, 40% are females. So we'll consider if it's females, then what is the probability of an applicant obtaining A grade and also being a female? We have to consider both cases. The intersection, obtaining A grades, that is 6 over 10, into, because here we have intersection, being a female, that is 40%, that is 4 over 10. Simplify, you have 24 over 100. Now continue. From the applicants who face the interview, only 10% get selected. That means from the remaining applicants who fail to obtain A grades, what is that? 4 over 10, because 6 over 10 obtain A grades. Other 4 over 10 remainder is facing an interview. Out of that, only 10% are selected, and 70% of them are females. That means out of the applicants who are selected from the interview, 70% are female. How to interpret that? So let's take passing the interview as I. Passing the interview, that is my event I. What is the probability? Pi. 10%. That is 1 over 10. Fraction is 1 over 10. Because they have given that is 10%. Now the other information, passing the interview was selected from the interview and being a female, they have given that as 70%. That is 7 over 10. Only 10% get selected then, and 70% of them are female. So that is the intersection of F and I. Now we can do Roman number 1 and 2. First question, Roman number 1. Find the probability that a male is selected for this job. Find the probability that a male is selected for this job. So let's say M, the event male being selected. Then how to find probability of M? We have to consider several factors here. A male can be selected through the aptitude test and also through the interview. So we have to consider both. Let's consider the test, being a male and also obtaining A grade, intersection of these two. Plus, what is the other option? Being a male selected through the interview, M intersect I. But here we have to consider another factor for this probability. these males are those who fail to obtain A grades, because not all of the applicants are introduced for the interview. Not all are taken. So we have to consider these 4/10 people who fail to obtain A grades. They are being selected for this criteria. So we have to consider another factor. What is that? A dash. A dash. Being a male selected from interview. But we have to consider failures of the aptitude test as well, because those failures are being selected for the interview. From this interview males. Okay. Now we have to substitute these probabilities. Probability of M intersect A is probability of M into probability of A plus probability of M intersect I into probability of I intersect A dash is probability of A dash. So we have substitute these 5 probabilities. Probability of being a male, that is M. What is the fraction? In the question they have given, it was found that 60% of the applicants get A grades, and of these 40% are females. If 40% is for female, male is 60%. That is 6/10. Because 40% female, that information is given into what is the probability of A obtaining A grade, that is also 6/10. This is one set plus the second one, probability of a male, probability of M. But here there's a difference between this probability of M and this probability of M. What is that? This M, probability of this M represent males who participated for this aptitude test. Here, this M represent males represented the interview. In interview part in the question, they gave 70% are females. 10% are being selected from the interview. Out of that, 70% are female. If 70% is female, what is the percentage for male representing the interview? That is 3/10. It is not this 6/10. That is the other part you have to work out very carefully. This is not males represented the test. This is for interview. Into PI, what is I? Interview. That is 1/10. Here we have already calculated PI 1/10. 10% being selected from the interview. Then what is A dash? Obtaining A, that is 6/10. What is the complement of this event? That is 4/10. A dash is 4/10. So this is the most important fraction. In order to obtain the answer, you have to consider that, because we have to consider these people who failed this test. So that is probability of A dash. Now you can simplify this and get the answer. Answer is 93/250. That is probability given that the male is selected after obtaining A grade. So this is what we have to calculate. Then we can apply conditional probability equation. That is the intersection of obtaining A grade and being a male, divided by what is the second event, male. Now what is A intersect M? A is representing applicants obtaining A grades. 60% obtain A grades. That is the information. So that is 6/10. Then M, out of which 40% are females. Then male percentage is 60. Divided by PM. That is what we calculated in Roman number 1. We calculated the probability that a male is selected for this job. We used PM for Roman number 1. What was that answer? 93 over 250. Using Roman number 1, we can calculate this. Now simplify. 36 over 100, 93 over 250. 50 times 2, 50 times 5. 2 times 1, 2 times 18. This is 18 divided by 1, again divided by 93 over 5. We can convert this division to multiplication and take the reciprocal. Reciprocal is 5 over 93. Now we can cancel these 2 by 3. 3 times 6, 3 times 31. 6 times 5 is 30. Denominator we have 30.